Hello guys, welcome to Steps by Step Python tutorials. This is Abhishek from latestweek.com. So guys, I hope you are enjoying my video tutorials, and today we are going to discuss something new because this video tutorial is about a quick recap about the things we have learned so far. So as the title says, a quick summary. So we're gonna take a look at every concept we have learned so far, what we have learned in it, and how we gonna use it in our functioning or programming things and programming stuff. So guys, let's move forward and take a look at the list that what we have learned so far. So guys, this is the list that contains all the things that we have learned so far. So let's start from the variables. First of all, we have gone through the concept of variables. In variables we have learned how to declare variable, how variable works, and how to assign values it, and what type of values it takes, and lots of other stuff. So I hope it will be clear to you guys. After variables we have moved to booleans. In booleans we have learned that we have only two types of possible things in when we talk about booleans, and those things are either true or false. So using only those two conditions we can perform like a word of possibilities in Python. So this is all about the data types, or we can say variables, in Python. Afterwards we move to comments in Python. Comments are the most important part in any programming language, so is in Python. In comments we have learned a single line comment, multi-line comment, how to use it, why to use it, and where to use it, and several other things. Like guys, are the very important things because it tells some other people how our code is working and what are the stuff we have declared and what is the meaning of the code. So that's very important guys when we talk about working code and the coding guidelines. So then comments came first whenever we talk about the coding guidelines. So we have learned enough about the comments. Later we move on to indentation and white spaces. As we have discussed earlier, that Python is a well structured programming language, so you don't need to provide a set of tabs or indentation or white spaces in order to make your code looks good, because Python already provided well structured and some other things into your code. So you don't need to provide some extra effort in providing indentation and some stuff like this. So guys, aware of it and don't forget it, because it can cause you an error. So that's why the indentation and white spaces are that much important in Python. Later we have discussed some math operation. In it we have discussed 6 type of operation, and in 2 categories. First we have learned the 4 basic operation, like our addition operation, multiplication, division, and subtraction operation. We have learned how this operator works and their flow and some other stuff. And on the second part we have learned exponent and the modulo operator. We have also discussed what are the differences in modulo and divide operation, and why we need to take care of it, where to use modulo operation, where to use the math operation, and where to, some other stuff guys. So those were the stories of the maths operation in Python. Later we discussed how to take input in our code itself. It is like a direct input, where, like, for example, we need to add some two numbers, so we can directly provide 2 numbers in our code itself. So that was all about taking direct inputs. Later on we discussed how we can take input from the user or the keyboard itself. So for that I have told you that you need to use raw input in your code. So guys, you always need to provide that particular thing in your code whenever you need to take input from the user and the keyboard. So this is the whole summary of the things and the concept we have discussed and learned so far. I hope these things will be clear to you guys. But if you face any doubts in any of these concepts, then you can visit our website latestweek.com and write back to us. I will try to give you more better example and explain those concepts more easily to you guys. So guys, let's move forward and let's see what the next slide contains. Oops, yeah, that's the main motto of our website and creating this tutorial. Like guys, Latestweek believes as we are programmer beginners in Python, coders, whatever we are, we always need to learn things in spite of just studying it. So when it comes to learning, we need, and when it comes specifically when it comes to learning a programming language, then we need to like develop learn things by doing. By this I mean, like whenever you learn things, try to develop them, because on developing you're gonna face several problems, some real life problems. So afterwards you're gonna explore things and you're gonna learn things. So that's the one of the major motive of our website, as well as creating these tutorials. So guys, uh, for that I will be providing a demo, like a demo project on our website letterstreak.com very soon. You can stay tuned to letterstreak.com for more important updates regarding this demo project. In that demo project you're gonna use all these concepts we have learned so far, and how these things works together in a single code snippet. So guys, this will be very interesting, I promise you guys. So guys, stay tuned for this, because as we said, try to learn things by doing in spite of just studying. So we will fulfill it and prove it why it is necessary with this demo project. So guys, that's all from this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed that first module from letterstreak.com. And for more technical and Python stuff, you can, as usual, stay tuned to letterstreak.com, subscribe us, visit us, write back to us, and for any suggestion, doubt, you can directly visit us and write back to us. So guys, thank you, thanks for watching this tutorials, and this is the end of the first module.